Hi, this is Yusuf. I am sales manager of God Machine. Today I will introduce you our mega polishing machine. Mega model polishing machine is designed for big capacity manufacturers. It has two separated polishing motors. Both of them are 1 HP and 0.75 kilowatt and 2800 RPM. The machine has 5500 m3 per hour suction power. The suction motor is 4 HP and 3 kilowatt. You see now power of suction. Thus pass through plastic pipe to filter bag. The filter bags are here. Also we have a key for lock this area. As you see, there are two filter bags. One is zipper filter and one is bag filters. Also it's very easy to put here, also to get out. There is just one screw. As you see, our machine is big sizes, but don't worry about it because our machine can separate 2 even 3 parts from here. Also, it has wheels and it can move easy. The manufacturers who are using our machine gets 97–98% average recovery. Also, if you are using this machine, you can get 97–98% average recovery. The machine is under guarantee of God Machine company, and of course we have after sales service.